Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 12 from chapter 7, section 4. Evaluate the integral 0 through 1, x minus 8 over x square minus 7x plus 10 dx. In this integrand, we notice the following. The integrand is a proper rational function, which means the degree of the numerator is smaller than the degree of the denominator, and denominator can be factored into linear factors. So we'll factor the denominator and then we will resolve this into partial fractions. X square minus 7x plus 10. So we can write this as x minus 8 divided by, this will be x minus 2 times x minus 5. So we can write this one as a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 5. So we have to find out the constants a and b. So x minus 8 numerator can be written as a times x minus 5 plus b times x minus 2. We can get the constants a and b in several ways by just plugging in values for x and then equating the two sides and getting the constants a and b. Or we can compare the coefficients on both sides and then find out the constants a and b. So I'm going to eliminate one unknown at a time by plugging in values. So I'm going to plug in x equal to 2, so that way b gets cancelled out. B gets eliminated. So substitute x equal to 2 in this relation. So we get 2 minus 8 equal to a times 2 minus 5 plus b times 2 minus 2, which is 0. So the left hand side is negative 6 equal to a times negative 3, or a equal to 2. Now we want to eliminate a. So plug in x equal to 5. So substitute x equal to 5 in this relation 1. So we get 5 minus 8 equal to a times 5 minus 5 plus b times 5 minus 2. So negative 3 equal to b times 3, or b is negative 1. So we got the values of a and b. We will get to this a and b at the last step. After all, they are constants. So we will come back to our step I. I is the original integral. I'm going to call the integral which is getting evaluated here as I, which is the usual convention in all these problems. That is integral 0 through 1, x minus 8 over x square minus 7x plus 10 dx, which is integral 0 through 1, x minus, this will be a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 5 dx. So I can be written as integral 0 through 1 a over x minus 2 dx plus integral 0 through 1 b over x minus 5 dx. That is a times ln of absolute x minus 2 between the limit 0 and 1, b times ln of absolute x minus 5 between the limit 0 and 1. So it is a, plug in the upper limit, ln of 1 minus 2, which is negative 1 with absolute sign, then minus ln of 0 minus 2 plus b ln of upper limit is 1, so 1 minus 5, which is negative 4, minus ln of 0 minus 5. When you plug in the lower limit, it will be negative 5. So it is a ln 1 minus ln2 plus b ln4 minus ln5. ln1 is 0, so we will plug in now the values of a and b. So 2 times negative ln2, b is negative 1, ln4 minus ln5. So if you distribute the constants in front, that is negative 2 ln2 minus ln4, then plus ln of 5. Hope this video helps.